Hicks Nurseries, located in Westbury, New York, has a long storied tradition of creating beautiful outdoor living spaces on Long Island since 1853. It's the largest garden center on Long Island, an industry leader and a vital part of the Long Island gardening and landscape community, spanning 6 generations. Not many businesses can say that. Hicks Nurseries has been around that long because they have a great reputation. They are dedicated to helping gardeners and homeowners achieve their goals by offering expert advice and providing an outstanding selection of unique products and services. At the turn of the century, they invented and patented the equipment for moving big trees that were desired by Long Island's new estate owners. Full-grown trees, sometimes in full leaf, were carefully extracted from the earth and taken primarily to the Gold Coast mansions, where many still flourish today, such as the Vanderbilt Mansion, J.P. Morgan Estate, and the Phipps Estate, currently Old Westbury Gardens. Today, Hicks continues to innovate. They listen to their customers' needs and provide them with tools for garden inspiration and success. Besides offering some of the best quality plants available, they provide complete landscape services so you can sit back and relax while they do the work. They are expert horticulturalists. They do outdoor kitchens and entertainment areas, masonry walks and steps, foundation planting screenings and border gardens patios, garden paths, retaining walls and wood structures, custom pool designs, poolscapes and spas, all maintenance on a monthly or seasonal basis. We learned that their crews are professional, reliable, trustworthy, love what they do, and do it with a smile. You can trust them in your home and to over-deliver on your project.